truck out in the I didn't feel gunshots going off. I didn't look.
All right, shoot that, birthday boy. Get it right in the tree right there.
Yeah.
See if he can hit it. Yeah.
No, might wanna.
Yeah, yeah.
Missed it. Missed it.
A little low, a little higher. There we go. Damn, that was loud.
Look at the tree.
Shakes the ground. I think you're empty. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, let's see what it did to the tree. Oh yeah. Blew all the bark off of it. He's all scarred up. Al Gore's gonna be pissed. Look at the big hole it left last time. The ground was like 2 feet off the ground on that one. Yeah, some good stuff. Just shave that big branch clean off. That used to be on the tree. Heck yeah! I don't think it's dead wood either, is it?
This used to be attached to the tree.
I wish it would have thrown it a little farther. Yeah, it used to be right there. Heck yeah!